How many times have you said this? This year, I'm finally going to lose weight. Then January ends, and so does the motivation. The truth is, your willpower isn't the problem. Your plan is, let's fix that. Most of us set goals like, I want to get fit, or I'll eat better. But those goals are too vague, too soft. And vague goals lead to vague results. That's where SMART goals come in. Goals with a strategy that actually works. SMART goals turn your wish into a plan. They break your big dream into small, doable steps. And when you know exactly what to do and when to do it, you're way more likely to follow through. SMART is an easy formula, which means S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, T, time-bound. Let's break that down real quick. Specific, don't just say lose weight, instead say lose 10 pounds. Measurable, track your progress so you know it's working, use a scale, body measurements, or a journal to stay on track. Achievable, keep it realistic. Losing 1 to 2 pounds a week is healthy and doable. Big promises like 10 pounds in 3 days only lead to burnout. Relevant, make your goal personal. Connect it to what you truly want, like more energy, better health, or feeling confident again. Time-bound, set a clear deadline. Saying, by March 1st keeps you focused, unlike the vague, someday. Here's a SMART goal. I want to lose 8 pounds in 6 weeks by eating cleaner and walking 30 minutes 5 days a week. It's specific, trackable, realistic, and powerful. You don't need perfect days. You need consistent steps. Forget the hype, forget the all-or-nothing mindset. Small progress greater than big promises. This year, don't just say it. Plan it. Track it. Stick to it. Let your results speak louder than resolutions. Comment, I'm going SMART this year if you're ready. And subscribe for more simple, real talk weight loss help. Let's glow up together.